To make it automated, we are going to do the first code of happy dance. For that, what we will do is first take the start button. It is by default present on the screen. Next, we go to base. From there, we take left hand up. Then let's go back to base again. Take right hand up. After this, we go back to base and we are going to take the option of stretch arm. The next option, the next block will be hands up. And the last block will be clap. That you have to scroll down in this until you find the block called clap hands. And over here, our coding is completed. This is the coding for happy dance. Now, once we are done with the coding, we click on download to import the code in the robot. As you see, the code is uploaded. Now, you have to remove the USB cable from the robot and wait for 10 seconds for it to get initiated.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,